Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an incredible journey through time to explore the awe-inspiring Mongol Empire, a realm of conquest, unity, and cultural exchange. From the vast plains of Asia to the distant lands of Europe and the Middle East, the Mongols forged an empire unlike any other in history. So, grab your virtual passports and get ready for an enlightening adventure into the heart of the Mongol Empire. The Mongol Empire, established by the legendary Genghis Khan in the 13th century, marked the birth of a new era. With unparalleled military strategies and visionary leadership, Genghis Khan united the once divided Mongol tribes, paving the way for an empire that would stretch across continents. Under the leadership of Genghis Khan and his successors, the Mongol armies unleashed a relentless wave of conquest. Their lightning-fast cavalry and tactical brilliance allowed them to conquer vast territories, surpassing the boundaries of imagination. From China to Russia, from Persia to Hungary, kingdoms and empires fell before the might of the Mongols. But the Mongol Empire was not merely a tale of brute force and domination. It was a crucible of unity and cultural exchange. With a sophisticated administrative system and a commitment to religious tolerance, the Mongols fostered an environment of stability and prosperity. The Pax Mongolica, or Mongol Peace, brought together merchants, scholars, and artisans from different corners of the empire. The Silk Road flourished, connecting east and west, and facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies. It was during this period that the world witnessed an extraordinary fusion of cultures, leaving an enduring legacy that shaped the course of history. However, like all great empires, the Mongol Empire faced its own challenges. Internal conflicts, overextension, and the ravages of the Black Death contributed to its eventual decline. The empire fractured into smaller khanates, marking the end of an era. Yet, the impact of the Mongol Empire reverberates to this day. Its military strategies, administrative systems, and cultural interactions continue to captivate historians and scholars. So, join us as we delve deeper into the triumphs and tribulations of the Mongol Empire, uncovering the remarkable stories of conquest, unity, and cultural exchange that shaped the world as we know it. The Mongol Empire was one of the largest and most powerful empires in history, stretching across vast territories in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Established by Genghis Khan in the early 13th century, the Mongol Empire endured for several generations and left a lasting impact on the world. Genghis Khan, born as Temujin in 1162, united the Mongol tribes through his exceptional military and leadership skills. He organized his forces into a highly disciplined army and implemented innovative strategies that enabled him to conquer neighboring tribes and kingdoms. Genghis Khan's military campaigns were characterized by their speed, brutality, and relentless pursuit of victory. He utilized a combination of cavalry archers, skilled horsemen, and tactical maneuvering to defeat much larger and more established armies. By 1206, Genghis Khan had successfully united the Mongol tribes, and he was proclaimed as the Great Khan, the ruler of all Mongols. Under his rule, the Mongol Empire expanded rapidly, launching a series of conquests that transformed the political and cultural landscape of Eurasia. Genghis Khan's successors, notably his sons and grandsons, continued the empire's expansion, effectively consolidating and administering the conquered territories. The Mongols adopted a highly organized and efficient administrative system that allowed them to govern their vast empire. They implemented policies that promoted trade, protected merchants, and facilitated communication and transportation throughout their domains. The Pax Mongolica, or Mongol Peace, created a period of stability and security across the empire, enabling cultural exchange, technological advancement, and economic growth. The Mongols were also known for their religious tolerance, which was relatively uncommon during that time. While Genghis Khan himself adhered to traditional Mongol shamanism, he respected and tolerated other religions, allowing his subjects to practice their faith freely. This policy continued under subsequent rulers, fostering an environment where various religious and cultural traditions coexisted. One of the most significant achievements of the Mongol Empire was the establishment of the largest contiguous land empire in history. At its peak, The empire spanned from the Pacific Ocean in the east to Eastern Europe in the west, encompassing modern-day China, Mongolia, Russia, Central Asia, the Middle East, and parts of Eastern Europe. This vast empire facilitated the exchange of goods, technologies, and ideas across different regions, contributing to cultural diffusion and societal progress. Despite their reputation for conquest and brutality, the Mongols also made notable contributions to the regions they ruled. They improved transportation infrastructure, established efficient postal systems, and facilitated trade along the Silk Road. The Mongols promoted cultural and intellectual exchange, which led to the transmission of knowledge between East and West. Scholars, artists, and artisans from different cultures found patronage under the Mongols, contributing to a rich and diverse cultural legacy. However, the Mongol Empire began to decline after the death of Genghis Khan's grandson, Kublai Khan, in 1294. Internal conflicts, overextension, and the inability to sustain their empire's vastness weakened the Mongols. Additionally, the spread of the Black Death and the subsequent social and economic disruptions further contributed to the empire's decline. By the late 14th century, the Mongol Empire fragmented into smaller khanates, and their influence waned over time. Despite its relatively short existence, the Mongol Empire left an indelible mark on world history. It reshaped political boundaries, fostered cross-cultural exchanges, and paved the way for future empires and dynasties. The Mongols' military strategies, administrative systems, and cultural interactions continue to captivate historians and scholars to this day, making the Mongol Empire a fascinating chapter in human history.